Well, this is the first corn of 2019. We're doing a little bit of the heavy soil. This is a 98-day corn. Planted 35,600 seeds per acre. 20-inch rows. The wind the other day at 60 miles an hour kind of got a hold of it a little bit. We're running a S680 combine with an 18-row, 20-inch corn head. We have our rookie buggy driver over there. It's her first time driving buggy. Thought we'd do just a little quick video here. Show off the start of the corn season. And yes, this field is about a mile long. That's Lake Champlain at the far, far end of the field. We're right now on the upper end of the field, which is the clay end. When we get to the bottom, it should be a lot better yielding. But still, this isn't bad. We're running around 270, 280 bushel.